Hello YouTube! In today's review we'll be looking at Cetus Trition 90 Speargun. Cetus is the spearfishing manufacturer from Slovenia and they have been around for quite some time now. They have more than 35 years of experience with composites in aviation, pharmacy, car industry and nautics, so speargun production is a piece of cake for them. They have a broad offer of different spearguns and even fins, so if you're a fan of quality, make sure to check them out. In the older videos, I mostly spearfished with the Angler 95, which is actually their first classic limited edition speargun model. About 60 of Angler 95s were built. They liked the older videos and reached out, so we started collaborating. They've sent the Trition 90 speargun, which you were able to see in recent videos. A lot of you have been asking for speargun review, but I've purposely taken time to test it really well so I can give you better insight on how this speargun actually performs. The Trition 90's body is made of carbon fiber and filled with the epoxy foam, which makes this gun really rugged. It weighs 2360 grams, which is heavy enough to suppress the recoil. It's got the Hermes double roll mechanism, which is smooth like butter. The trigger is really soft and responsive, which is something I've never experienced before and I really like it. The reel has this foldable lever that will make reeling Dyneema back on a lot faster and smoother, and there is 40 meters of Dyneema on there. It's rigged with two Seigel sub 14mm bands which pack quite a punch, and I thought they were 16mm at first as they had quite the recoil. The shaft is 6.75mm, also from Seigel sub with two floppers, which is a must if you don't want to lose fish. Another genius concept is magnet holding the shaft in place. Forget about all the nylon hassle on the speargun head, because here you just click the shaft into the mechanism and the magnet will do the rest. It's especially handy if the fish tears off, as you can track it down and reload the speargun in 15 seconds and reshoot it. The overall accuracy of the speargun is phenomenal considering it has a bit of recoil. Side by side it looks like Angler 95 on steroids, but once you get into the sea they are both very maneuverable. You can really see they've improved all aspects of Angler 95 through the years to get to this god tier level of user friendliness. Another feature we've missed on Angler was this metal clip on the handles, so now you can slam this into the bottom to attract fish and also rig your buoy onto this speargun if you're spearfishing in the blue. Balancing has never been as easy because with variable weight system you can insert as much weights as you like to balance the speargun as you like. In my opinion it's balanced pretty good out of the box, so I wouldn't really change anything. The combination of advanced features and durable construction makes Trition 90 an excellent choice for spearos seeking a reliable and effective speargun that will enhance their underwater pursuits and withstand the test of time. That's all for today's Cetus Trition 90 review, so make sure to check them out. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching and stay safe while diving.